Nicole, and looking at the S&P, it's holding 2,100. Highs closed since November. Well, President Obama tried defending his economic record against his Republican critics earlier this week, even taking a shot at Fox. But not so fast. Our own Blake Burman broke down the numbers and found a different economic story.
President Obama tried to take an economic victory lap Wednesday in Elkhart, Indiana, the site of his first domestic visit as president. He returned to highlight the economic progress that he says he's seen during his administration. In the process, he also unleashed a barrage of criticisms against Donald Trump and Republicans, while also taking a swipe at Fox News. He contended Fox is pushing a story that, quote, middle-class families like yours have been victimized by a big, bloated federal government run by a bunch of elitists. So we took a look at the numbers, and there is certainly two sides to this economic coin. On the one hand, the president and his administration tout 14.6 million new jobs created during the Obama years, including 74 straight months of private sector job growth and a sharply falling unemployment rate down to 5%. However, a deeper dive shows the current struggle for millions all across the country. When the president took office in 2009, the median family income was a little more than $57,000. 7 years later, it's roughly the same. Factor in inflation, and that's moving in the wrong direction. Taking a look at the labor force participation rate, it's the lowest it's been in decades and has been on a steady decline during the Obama presidency. Many economists contend that has been a part in the decreasing unemployment rate. The president also claims success in controlling government spending. Critics would argue comparing spending to the last year of the Bush administration, when the government was addressing the 2007 financial crisis, is an artificially high comparison, and spending hasn't been brought down to pre-crisis levels since. Federal outlays this year are expected to hit about $4 trillion. That's roughly $1 trillion more than in his first year in office. Back to you in New York.
The economic fact check from Blake Burman. Thank you.